Disaster is inevitable and has struck all over the world, including right here in Gainesville, Florida.
Disasters include tornadoes, hurricanes, earthquakes, and tsunamis. When disaster strikes, affected areas are left destroyed without food, water, or energy.
Without these resources available, people cannot survive for very long. People have no other choice but to turn to others for help.
With this, we hope to contribute to a disaster relief program that can bring these resources directly to affected areas.
All of the teams will work together to design a disaster relief truck that integrates technologies capable of producing food, energy, and water from local resources.
The overall goal of our project is to provide the citizens of Gainesville with adequate contact water after their lives have been affected by a natural disaster. Contact water, by definition, is water used for any purpose other than drinking. These purposes would include cooking, cleaning, and bathing.
We will also provide the people we service with access to shower facilities.
In order to perform a trade-off study, one of our first objectives was to create an equivalent systems analysis for our water resource. This will serve as a rubric to assess the cost, risks, and benefits, as well as profits, of our decisions.
For water, we analyzed the parameters involved with providing safe contact water and ranked them from 1 to 5, 1 being the most important. Of highest importance was cost, as well as the number of people sustained by the truck. The distance to the water source we are purifying is also important because it affects the production rate. The more water we have access to, the more people we can serve. We met with the other relief teams in order to develop the overall ESF equation, taking into account all of our individual needs for energy, food, and water. Everyone agreed that cost was the most important factor, followed by the energy output of the truck. Both the food and water teams are dependent on the energy team to power their systems, so energy output is a major concern for all of the teams.
These factors will allow us to evaluate the success of our design for the water team, as well as the combined efforts of all the other teams.
Our other objectives include producing 8 liters per day of UV sanitized and filtered water for each of the 50 people our truck will be servicing.
And also to produce 350 liters of water each day for use by the food team for food production.
Much of our nation has been ravaged by recent disasters. We want this research to be used to help people affected by these tragedies to resume a more normal life after such a huge loss.